This is one of the many types of hot water boiler that we service at Ambrose Mechanical Services. This particular boiler is a 1.4 million BTU Viessmann high efficiency boiler. We installed this boiler in 2009 to replace the existing boiler in the building, and really has run without much trouble since 2009. I think we've had 2 service calls on it total. It's equipped with a Weishaupt modulating burner, very nice burner. And this particular boiler heats a domestic hot water tank, 120 gallon for the building. There's actually 3 pumps on this system. This particular boiler is able to control 3 different water temperatures out of the same boiler controller. We have one that's the main high temp, which is the boiler temp. That services our highest temp heating needs, which is a water pump for an air handler. And then we also have fan coils throughout the building. Those are on another water temperature. And then convectors, all weather responsive to outdoor temperature. Each of the 3 temperatures controlled on their own. Fan coils and convectors that are on zones 2 and 3 are actually controlled with the use of mixing valves. There's a mixing valve for system 2, which is the fan coils. Fan coils are supplied their water by this base mounted pump, which is actually just our auxiliary these days. It's a standby, and we installed a Velo high efficiency pump, low wattage pump that circulates water to all the fan coil units in the building. The other mixing valve is there. That takes care of perimeter convectors in the building. It also has a smaller Velo high efficiency pump. And then there is the main pump that pumps to a larger air handler that takes care of the largest single area in the building. There's quite a bit to this boiler when it comes to controls, burner, but again, extremely reliable piece of equipment, and this is just one type of hot water boiler that we do service. Hot water different than steam in the respect that these boilers need pumps to circulate the water through them. You wouldn't see a pump on a steam boiler system pumping water through the boiler. It also has temperature controls and temperature gauges on it that you wouldn't see on a steam boiler. So if you have anything that looks like this, Ambrose Mechanical can service and perform planned maintenance on these systems for you.